Setting up a green screen can be a real pain. You need lights, you need the green screen, and once it's all set up, you can't really move. So what I found when I was just randomly browsing the internet was a way you can almost get the same effect, but you can take it anywhere you go. And it's using technology that is from Snapchat. And what that program is called SnapCam. So let me demonstrate what you can do with SnapCam. Here is a second version of me on a different camera. Let me change the actual filter to the one that I prefer, this one here. And you can have your entire body and your entire background disappeared, and you're just a face. And if you don't want really people to be able to recognize you as easily, you can even put some sunglasses on, and it still works. And as you can see, the entire background is cut out. So normally the way that I get the background replacement is by actually having a green screen. I can bring up the way I do it. So I have a bunch of pieces of paper that I bought at the local stationery shop, and I just glue them to the wall. And I need two lights in front of me. I need one light behind me and another light on my face so that it doesn't look like I've been awake for 100 years. And that's how I can cut out the background in the version of me that is me. But the new way is even better, I think, because you don't need any of the setup. You don't need lights, you don't need a background, it just cuts out your face. So let me walk you through how we do it by bringing up OBS, which is the software that I use to record these videos. Now, I'll delete the one that I made already. Oops, I'll rename. Remove. And I'll reset it up. So once you install the software, you get, this one's Snap, you get a new camera to choose from. And that camera is called Snap Camera. Surprise, surprise. As you can see, it's got a green background. So once you've got it set up, you've got this ugly green background, which we definitely don't want in the video. So what we do is we right click and add the filter Chrome Key. And that, even if you just leave it on default, will get rid of the background so it becomes transparent. And now, as you can see, I have two copies of myself because I'm using two different cameras. Turns out you can't use the same camera on two different things. It says one camera is already in use. And then I can remove the original one, which I'm using from the camera. If you want to see the setup that I'm using, it's pretty basic. If you can see that. Yeah, so I'm just using an old Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. And that allows me to do the green screen. That's one's in the background here. But anyway, that is how you get rid of the background without needing a green screen. If you like tips like this, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.